Hello, everybody. Dominoes 7 here. I'd like to welcome y'all to my Dominoes 7 Halloween Facebook Live video vlog. Okay? Alright. So, anyway, it's Halloween, so happy Halloween, everybody! So, I wonder what y'all gonna do tonight for Halloween night? For Halloween day? I guess y'all having Halloween parties or something like that. So, anyway, ladies and gentlemen, what I'm gonna do tonight, I'm gonna be chilling, gaming, and everything. Probably take a nap in my coffin. Okay, so it's a nice day. It's a cloudy day on this Halloween day. It's Halloween morning, Halloween afternoon. Well, it's getting close to Halloween afternoon. It's still morning time, almost evening. So I kind of wonder, what will my best friend next door will be doing? Only God knows. So today is my two cousins' birthday, Solomon and Terry. Happy birthday and happy Halloween. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna be hanging out, chilling, taking a nap in my coffin, and stuff like that. Do I have a coffin? An imaginary coffin? Well, who knows? Who knows? Okay? Excuse me. So, will it be a good thing or a bad thing that I'll nap in my coffin? Oh, I don't know. Who knows? Okay. Okay. So, I don't know what else is next. What the hell else is next? Okay. Alright. So, I don't know what else is next, or later, or anything. So, there's nothing I can say or do. I already done my YouTube live already, and stuff like that. So now I'm getting ready to do an Instagram live. Okay? Okay. So, I'll see y'all on Instagram live.